In this video, we are going to go over a few different workbook views. So let's start by going to the View tab. We will click Split. You'll notice not much has changed, but you see if you look closely on the right-hand side, there are two scroll bars, one on the top half and one on the bottom, and we're able to actually adjust how much space is for the bottom and for the top. What this is allowing us to do is see two separate pieces of the workbook at the same time. If we click Split again, it turns it off. For this next view, it's called Freeze the Panes. We want to scroll all the way to the top and make sure we're scrolled all the way to the left. Let's say we want to keep row 9, which has our column headers of salespeople, date, city, customer type, and so on, always frozen so that when we scroll up and down, we always see them. But say we also want to keep column B, which has our salespeople in it, so that we know every time we scroll left and right, who completed what transaction. So rule of thumb is you have to be one under and one over. So in our case, row 9 is where our headers lie. So we have to be somewhere in row 10. And then column B is where our salespeople are. And this, we want to keep these frozen as well. So that means we have to be somewhere in column C. So the common spot is going to be C10. So if we click C10 and then go to Freeze Panes, click Freeze Panes again, you'll notice as we scroll up and down, our headers are staying. And as we go left and right, our salespeople are staying as well. To turn off Freeze Panes, just simply click Freeze Panes, unfreeze panes.